Good, good day, Diamond and Pearl. So this week we are going to discuss about the chain rule. But before that, let's have a review. The derivative of y is equal to x plus 2. That is 1. Correct. How about y is equal to negative 4x squared plus 2x? Gives us negative 8x plus 2. Correct. How about number 3? Y equals 2x cubed plus 8x squared minus 5x plus 2. The answer is 6x squared plus 16x minus 5. How about y is equal to negative x to the power of 7 minus 5 over 6 x to the power of 6 minus x minus 1? The answer is negative 7x to the power of 6 negative 5x to the power of 5 minus 1. Put number 5. What is the derivative of the quantity x squared plus 2 multiplied to the quantity x plus 2? What are you going to use? The product rule. The product rule is the u dv plus v du. Our u is the x squared plus 2. Our v is x plus 2. So copy the u, get the derivative of v. Copy the u x squared plus 2. The derivative of v is derivative of x plus 2 is 1 plus. Copy the v, which is x plus 2, plus the derivative of u, which is derivative of x squared plus 2 is 2x. Multiply 1, so x is 2x times x, you have 2x squared. 2x times 2, you have 4x. Combine like terms, x squared plus x squared, 3x squared. 4x copy, 2 copy. That's it. How about this one? Still product rule, u dv, v du, our u is negative 2x squared plus 4x. Our v is 3x plus 2. Copy the u, then dv, derivative of v, which is 3, plus, copy the v, 3x plus 2, du, derivative of u, derivative of negative 2x squared is negative 4x plus 4. Multiply distributive property, so we have negative 6x squared plus 12x. FOIL method, 3x times negative 4x, negative 12x. 2 times 4, 8. Inside, 3x times negative 4x. I know, mali. It's not like that. So it's balik lang. Hindi, it should be 2 times negative 4x, negative 8x. Last last 2 times 4, 8. Balik kanina, no? It should be 2 times negative 4, negative 8x. So it gives us positive 4x times 8. Combine like terms, we have negative 6 times plus negative 12, negative 18. 12 plus 4, 16 plus 8. Next example, 2x divided by x plus 5. How to solve for that is to use the quotient rule, and the quotient rule is v du minus u dv over v squared. v du, v is x plus 5, du is 2x, derivative of u is 2, minus u dv, copy the u, 2x, derivative of v, 1, over v squared, x plus 5 squared, gives us 2x plus 10 minus 2x. So we have 10 over x squared plus 10x plus 25. Y equals x plus 4 all over negative 2x plus 3. du minus u dv v squared. So v is negative 2x plus 3. Du, derivative of u, that's 1, minus, copy the u, x plus 4, derivative of v, negative 2x. Distribute the negative, do not forget. Negative 2x plus 3. So, negative 2 times x, negative 2x times negative, positive 2x. Negative 2 times 4, negative 8 times negative, positive 8. By like terms, we have 11 over 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. Yun. Let's talk about the chain rule. What is the definition of a chain rule? If y is equal to u times x raised to the power of n, meaning meron na ngayong exponent, yung binomial, yung quantity, then the dy over dx is equal to n, di ba? Yun man talaga yan. Times mo yung n times the coefficient and u times x, n minus 1 times the additional here sa chain rule is find the derivative of u, yung sa loob. Then simplify. Example, find the derivative of y is equal to 4x plus 3 squared. You could use naman the product rule, tama? Our u is 4x plus 3, our v is 4x plus 3 kasi dalawang beses lang man yan class, right? So you have 4x plus 3 times derivative of v is 4. 4x plus 3 is derivative of 4, so you have 16x plus 12 plus 16x plus 12. You get 32x plus 54. What if you use the chain rule? Chain rule, find the derivative of y is equal to 4x plus 3 raised to the power of 2. Using the chain rule class, its definition, you have 2 times 1, you have 2 here. Okay ha, yung normal lang na derivative, minus 1. So 2 minus 1. Tama? Times the derivative yung nasa loob na function, 4x plus 3. What is the derivative of 4x plus 3? You have 4. So you have 2, 4x plus 3, 2 minus 1, 1 na lang dyan. Tama? Derivative of 4x plus 3, you have 4. So 2 times 4x plus 3, so you have 8x plus 6 times 4, 22x plus 24. So same lang sa product rule kanina, di ba? Pag square, you can use the product rule. What if cube, class? What if cube? Mahirap na pag product rule, di ba? So you really have to use the chain rule. Lagay yung chain rule, 3 times 1, you have 3. Tapos minus 1 yan, 6x minus 4 raised to the power of 3 minus 1 times the derivative of the function sa loob, 6x minus 4. What is the derivative of 6x minus 4? That is 6, correct. We have now 3 times 6x minus 4 raised to the power of 2 times 6. So square pa namin ni sir, pwede lang hindi. So 6 times 3, we have 18. 6x minus 4 square. Pwede na siya, hindi siya i-multiply ang 6x minus 4 class. Okay? Okay na yan answer. We'll accept this type of answer. Another example. Differentiate y equals 5x squared minus 4x plus 2 raised to the power of 2. So you know the 2 times 1 here, so we have 2. Minus 1, the exponent, then get the derivative of the function. Derivative of 5x squared minus 4x plus 2. 10x minus 4, correct. Multiply gives us 10x squared minus 8x plus 4 times 10x minus 4. That's it. Okay na yan. Another example. Find the derivative of a radical, the square root of 3x plus 1. We all know that to solve this one in chain rule, you have to transform it into exponential. And we all know that the square root is raised to the power of 1/2. Pag cube root raised to the power of 1/3. Okay? Following the formula kanina definition ng chain rule, 1/2 times 1, diba? 1/2 times 1, we have 1/2. 3x plus 1, 1/2 minus 1 times the derivative of 3x plus 1. So 1/2 minus 1, negative 1/2. Tama? Derivative ni 3x plus 1, 3. So what's next, sir? So 1/2 times 3, 3 halves. 3 halves times 3x plus 1 times negative 1/2. Di ba bawal negative 1/2 na exponent, class? So ibaba natin siya. So the final answer will become 3 over 2 times 3x plus 1 raised to the power of 1/2. That's the final answer. Alright? Another example na radical. Find the derivative of the square root of 5x minus 2. Transform it to the exponential, gives us quantity 5x minus 2 raised to the power of 1/2. So alam mo na 1/2 times 1, 1/2 na naman. 1/2 minus 1 times the derivative of 5x minus 2. What's the derivative of 5x minus 2? 5. So 1/2 times 5x minus 2 raised to the power of 1/2 minus 1 gives us negative 1/2. Derivative of 5x minus 2, this is 5. So 1/2 times 5, 5 halves. Di ba bawal negative na exponent? So you bring it down. So from numerator, it becomes a denominator. So the final answer is 5 over 2 times 5x minus 2 raised to the power of 1/2. Another example, find the derivative of the cube root of 3x plus 5. The cube root of 3x plus 5 is written in an exponential as the quantity of 3x plus 5 raised to the power of 1/3. Very good. Same process, 1/3 times 1, we have 1/3. Copy the function, 1/3 minus 1 times the derivative of 3x plus 5. Derivative of 3x plus 5, what's the answer? Gives us 3. So 1/3 minus 1, 2/3, negative 2/3 because 1/3, paano ko yan ginawa para madali? 1/3 minus 3 over 3. Gawin mong fraction ng 1 na 3 ang denominator. So 1/3 minus 3, 3 over 3, that's negative 2/3. Derivative of 3x plus 5, 3. So 3 times 1/3, you'll have 1. 1 man yan. 3 over 3, 1. Tapos, bawal baya negative na exponent, baba. So the answer is 1 over 3x plus 5 raised to the power of 2/3. Again ha, 3 over 3 is 1, kaya nawala dyan. Another example. Find the derivative of y is equal to 5 over square root of 2x plus 3. What are you going to do now? Yes. Diba 2x plus 3 is raised to the power of 1/2. Tapos, ilagay doon sa numerator. Ilagay dito sa numerator. So, it becomes negative 1/2. Okay? So, now, what are you going to do? Negative 1/2 times 5. Diba? Negative 1/2 times 5. Negative 1/2 minus 1 times the derivative of yung nasa gitna. 2x plus 3 gives us 5 times negative 1/2, negative 5 halves. Negative 1/2 minus 1, negative 3 halves. Derivative of 2x plus 3, we have 2. Final answer, di ba 2 times negative 5 halves gives us negative 5. Tapos bawal ba negative na exponent, so baba na naman yan. The answer is negative 5, negative 5 all over 2x plus 3 raised to the power of 3 halves. Nawala na si 2 klasa kasi 2 times 5, 10 divided 2, 5 pa rin. Cancel na si 2. Indeed, if you don't know the chain rule in calculus, you're gonna have a bad time. Wow, kinuha lang sa Google. Okay, another example. The final derivative of y is equal to 5x plus 2 raised to the power of 3. Could be the answer. The answer is 3 tapos 3 minus 1, 2, 5x plus 2 is the power of 2. Derivative of 5, 5. 3 times 5, 15. 5x plus 2 raised to the power of 2. This one. And the derivative of y is equal to the square root of 3x minus 5. Okay, pause mo muna para makasolve ka. 3x minus 5 raised to the power of 1/2. 1/2 times 1, 1/2. 1/2 minus 1, negative 1/2. Times 3, 3 halves. So 3 all over 2 times 3x minus 5 raised to the power of 1/2. Sorry ha, ma-solve ko siya ng kuan plus mental. How about this? 1/3, 1/3 minus 1, negative 2/3. Derivative of x plus 2 is 1. So 1/3, 1 over 3 times x plus 2 for 2/3. Last, 5, 5 minus 1, 4. So derivative of x minus 8 is 1. So 5 times x minus 8 to the power of 4. That's it. Thank you guys for listening and answer activity number 2. Bye bye.